today I'm going to be unboxing my February Boxycharm, and I'm actually pumped for two reasons. The first reason, I have no idea what is in this box. I have no idea of a theme. I haven't seen any sneak peeks anywhere on social media, which never ever happens. So it's literally a complete surprise. Second of all, I always get my Boxycharm at the very end of the month, and here it is the second week of February, and I actually got it. So guess what? This unboxing is actually going to go up on time. I am so excited. Okay, so Boxycharm is like the best subscription box in the entire world, but with all good things, Boxycharm has not had like a great streak recently. Ever since Boxycharm has introduced Boxyluxe, it's really gone downhill, and I have honestly contemplating canceling, which says a lot because I always say that I'm Boxycharm's biggest fan. So Boxycharm is $21 a month. In it, you get 4 to 5 full-size products. With all of that said, let's get into it. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. I don't know. I'm kind of excited because it says, oh wait, I thought I like looked at it really fast and I thought it said glitter glow, but it says afterglow. So here's this one's theme. The card is very simple and the card is very thin. Usually they print on a thicker cardstock, but this is a very thin, flimsy piece of paper. So, okay. I only have seen one thing in the box so far. So here's my first actual look. I don't know how I feel. Usually, like, all the time, I always get eyeshadow palettes in my Boxycharm, like, all the time. If you want to grow your collection, sign up for Boxycharm. My makeup collection is so huge now. Like, every month I get an eyeshadow palette. But so far, I don't see anything. Okay, so we're just gonna get into the unboxing because, like, there's something underneath of this lump, but I don't know what it is. Okay, so the first thing that I'm pulling out is this Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. I never ever freaking get any kind of skincare in my Boxycharm. So I kind of have a little bit of mixed feelings about this because, like, again, like, I never get skincare in my Boxycharms ever. Like, the last skincare product I think I got was like a Tatcha face mask. But at the same point, it's a facial cleanser, and I feel like I just get so many of these in my other subscription boxes. However, Pharmacy is not a brand that I receive a lot, so I don't know. Like, I kind of have mixed feelings about this, but I am really excited that we got, like, look how cute the packaging is. And Pharmacy isn't a brand that I see all the time in my Boxycharm boxes. So, but I am kind of excited to try this out. Okay, so let's keep going because the next thing that I'm pulling out is this No Pore Blem Primer from In Touch Soul. Oh my gosh, I love primers. Oh, it's a little pumpy bottle. Okay, so I will show you guys in a second. It doesn't really have too much of a scent, but the color of it's cool. So it says No Pore Blem Primer. Can you believe I painted my nails this morning and look how chipped they already are? Literally painted these like 4 hours ago. Oh, it kind of has like a very light floral scent to it, but like a sweet floral scent. It's a very like buttery feeling primer. Okay, so it's pore filling, which is like something that I desperately need. I always need a pore filling primer. So it's been such a long time since I've received a primer. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy about this in my Boxycharm. Like, I like the idea of the cleanser, like I said, but I kind of had mixed feelings on that. But this, I'm really excited about. The next product that I see in here is from Trestique. It's, oh, what? Okay, wait, so we got a lip product. Yes, Boxycharm, okay. And then right here on the side, it says primer inside. Oh, look at you. Oh my god, that's so cute. It's a little baby lipstick primer stick. That is so cute. It's so tiny. Oh, it doesn't really smell like much, which is totally cool. Okay, let's see how pretty. My hands are all like slippery from the primer that I just put on, but here's what the stick looks like. Let's just, if I get this on my jean jacket, it's white and I can't ever not stain anything. That's a really pretty color actually, but it's not like a lip stain. Oh, it's like magnet. Look, it's like magnetic, and I already have messed up the lip product, but got some in the exterior tubing. Whoa, okay, so this isn't like a lip stick or a lip stain. It's more of like a, I don't want to, it's, what is it called? It's not a jelly, but that's the only thing I can think of. The next thing that I'm pulling out, oh my god, is a full-sized Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I have never owned a full-sized well, actually that's not true. I've never owned a full-size mascara from Too Faced, and the Better Than Sex mascara is like Too Faced, like, that's their product, so I can't believe we're getting a full-size mascara. That is so exciting. So I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna look at it together, okay? 3, 2, 1. Oh, what? There's no eyeshadow palette in this month. That's kind of crazy. Okay, I don't know. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna give it a second before reserving judgment. This is the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan highlighter. It has been such a long time since I've received a highlighter in my Boxycharm boxes, but I did receive a blush in this like same exact packaging from the Pretty Vulgar, like I don't know, like definitely last year. I don't remember when last year, but literally the same exact packaging except it was gold and it was a blush. I really liked the blush color. So it's interesting that I received like I love getting highlighters. I'm so shocked that we didn't get an eyeshadow palette this month, but I'm gonna go ahead and swatch. I love gold highlighter. Oh my gosh. Like love gold highlighter. It's not like super duperty reflective, but I mean like I'm pumped. Like it's a moderate reflective. It's not gonna like give me a blinding glow. But it's nice. Like I don't hate it. I am so shocked that I didn't get an eyeshadow palette in this month's box. Boxycharm has been going on an eyeshadow streak for like months now. I don't even remember the last time I didn't receive an eyeshadow palette. So it was really nice to see that Boxycharm like changed up their formula and sent out like a highlighter instead of an eyeshadow palette. And it was also really nice to see some new brands in here. I don't think it's been such a long time since I've received Pharmacy. I don't think I've ever received Touch in Sol or Too Faced ever in any of my Boxycharms. So I'm going to go over the value of everything in here. The Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara has a retail value of $24. This Shimmering Swan highlighter from the Pretty Vulgar has a retail value of $32. The Touch in Sol No Problem Primer has a retail value of $18. The Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Face Cleanser has a retail value of $22. That's crazy. And this Trestique Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon has a retail value of $25. In the little description for this lipstick, it says that it's a color glaze, which I've never heard of before. So it's a shiny color glaze is what Boxycharm to describe it. But for me, it kind of reminds me of a colored chapstick or a colored lip balm. So that is everything that I received in my February Boxycharm. I will admit I'm actually really shocked with Boxycharm not sending out an eyeshadow palette, but I am really happy that I received Too Faced and the Pretty Vulgar in here. I did like that Boxycharm sent out another skincare option in this box. I'm not blown away by this box, I will admit, but I do really like that Boxycharm is starting to switch things up and send out new brands and not send out an eyeshadow palette in every box. So that is everything that I received in my February Boxycharm. What was your favorite product, or did you receive something different in your Boxycharm? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.